covering 3,000 miles of road is very difficult. We have our county split into 4 different distinct districts. You can have vastly different temperatures from the south half to the north half of our county. By Lake Superior, traditionally warmer in the wintertime, then as you get further up north onto the Iron Range, temperatures are considerably lower.
The weather changes, it can be just drastic from snow to rain to wind.
We try to be out there for a morning commute to try and make the roads as safe as we possibly can throughout the day, and evening commute. One of the tasks that I was given was to look for a system to be able to capture imagery of road conditions around our county. We were planning on 4 different cameras in 4 different locations. We came up with the idea, well, what if we attach the cameras to some of the assets that we have out in place, i.e. telephone poles, power poles, luminaires, which would be street lights, trees. We started pricing out some stuff and we went, hey, if we do this, you know, we could go from 4 cameras to 50 cameras. Having the ability to control it and having the ability to be able to service it ourselves was what sold us on the route we went with the barn owl system.
We put big maps out and we kind of strategically placed them throughout the district. In 1 minute or 2 minutes, I have a good idea what's going on across my whole district instead of 1 point north of Hibbing, you know.
We still have to be out there, but it gives us a whole lot better understanding of maybe what to expect.
If I have to put 1 less truck on the road because the camera showed that there's no snow there, paid for the camera 1 day.
Being able to remotely monitor the road network is unbelievable, you know, which saves time, which better deploys our assets, which ultimately aids in the safety of the traveling public. These cameras have helped put our assets in the right places at the right times, in the right numbers to be able to accomplish these goals to the best of our ability.
You know, we don't have the option to stay home. We have to be out there, so these definitely help.
We do need to get the word out there and to try share this with other local agencies. I believe that they will benefit from this technology as well, and it's a very attractive price point. It is very inexpensive to start with and to use.